Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you like the video, and leave any comments. Okay guys, now today we're going to be looking at the preliminary engagement activities, right? So I've winded down to the last part, which is the engagement letter, something I need to share on the engagement letter side. So say there's a client, you want to continue with your client that you audited the previous year, or maybe you want to take on a new client. You've investigated the client, you've determined that you've got enough resources to actually do the audit and the skills to do the audit. Maybe their industry is not as complicated, and you've all established that. So now you just want to wind it down and conclude. So we conclude using an engagement letter. By conclude, I mean tying it down to a contract. So these are some of the things that are supposed to be on the engagement letter. Number one, the objectives and the scope of the audit, right? This has to be on the engagement letter because you can't focus on everything about the business. There's supposed to be a specific objective for the audit. I'm sure that one is to make sure that the financial statements are not materially misstated in any way. And when I refer to financial statements, I am talking about all the financial statements: the profit and loss, the changes in equity, the cash flow, and yeah, basically all of them, right? So it's the profit or loss, the financial position, the changes in equity, the cash flow, and the notes, right? So that's what I'm going to be referring to. The second part is the responsibilities of the auditor, which is you in this case, what you're going to be doing, and if you're going to be using maybe an auditor's expert, because you won't have knowledge in everything. Maybe this is a specialized industry, and you might need to use an expert. Or maybe you might also need, if it's a new client, you might also need access to the previous auditor's working papers. Those are the things that you're going to be communicating with management. And also you need to outline the responsibility of management, which will usually include them giving you access to everything that might assist you or be of assistance in helping you with conducting the audit, right? And the other one is identification of financial reporting frameworks for preparation of financial statements. In maybe we can be talking about standards like IFRS, the International Financial Reporting Standards. So guys, in a nutshell, these are just some of the things that are going to be there in your engagement letter when you conclude the agreement that you're going to do the audit, or you're going to continue with a client that you were auditing previously, the previous year. So this is an engagement letter. It's some of the things that are supposed to be there. So don't limit it to these kind of things. It's also going to be scenario based, because an auditing is a principle based module or study field. So you're going to have to do a lot of practice with different questions, and the more you practice, the better you're gonna become at identifying the necessary information that should be on the engagement letter. Guys, you should watch out for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you love the video. And if you have any questions on maybe any topic that you don't understand, or something that you want to let me know about, just leave a comment on the comment section, and we will see each other next time. Nda.